Okay, today I am making roasted cabbage. And what you're going to need is 1 large head of cabbage, 3 tablespoons of melted margarine, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a little dash of salt and pepper. If you want, you can add celery and carrots. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, which is there. A tablespoon of sage, tablespoon of rosemary, a tablespoon of thyme, and some parsley for decorations. A half of a cup of chicken broth, and I need some maple syrup, but I'm just going to add a little bit of pancake syrup. It won't be as sweet.
Go ahead.
Okay, so you want to go ahead and take a little paring knife and cut this core around this core, and make sure you cut it out just so it can lay flat, like that. Okay, now you want to go ahead and mix up your butter seasoning. If I wanted vegetables, put my carrots down here, my celery down here, surrounding this around it. If you don't know, I like to do quick and easy stuff. Potatoes is cut up. I'll put this in the center, put this around there, and then take this butter mix that I have, and I am going to paint this in my cabbage. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay. And I am going to, I'm not a cabbage eater, so I am going to put a little knife in it just to make sure. Who wants cabbage roasted on the outside but tastes like nothing on the inside? And make sure that this, you can use margarine or butter. A lot of people use butter. I use margarine, about saving money. And it's cheaper to get margarine. And I'm going to make sure I got this painted. You'll be painting and marinating this. Preheated to 400. The stem is cooked off and it's flat. My sausage, I'm just throwing my sausage in on the side. Y'all know how I do. Just got some regular sausage. I'm just gonna go ahead and sit it in here. Let them juices marinate through. On the sausage. Foil. I am going to make my gravy. Okay. There's the tent. This is going in the oven. Gravy. And in here, show you how it look. Woo-hoo, it smells. I am going to warm this up. In here is 4 tablespoons of margarine, a half an onion chopped real thin, 4-ounce can of mushrooms or fresh mushrooms, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and 3 tablespoons of flour. Now what I'm going to do, and 3 cups of broth. Now I am going to stir this, and as I stir this on low, this will get thick as a sauce. So you see it now, but when it comes back, it's going to be gravy. Yummy, yummy for my tummy.